They'll put her in the car in a minute. She'll have all the privacy she needs. Just so you guys see where we're standing too. I'm out with Watching the Watchmen today.
Who wants to leave?
With torches, sort of huddled under rain capes and things, looking for this creature. Actually, because it kept on pouring with rain. I mean, it was a rainforest. We used to have to keep on taking shelter. If I ever come across it, we used to sort of hide in this place, sort of surrounded by these sort of grotesquely large spiders, which are actually eating cockroaches. And if you held quiet, you'd hear the little sort of crunching noise going on around.
Trying to break those habits, you really need to be away from the people who are still feeling. Working outside, dumped the wife, and life is so good. It's from Bert. Andre's in Eltham. Andre?
Hi, Richard.
We're just talking about this notion of making a complete change to the...
Nobody got in an accident. Like...
Jesus fucking Christ!
My teammates are not very good. Spanish, you're Oriole Dennis. I'm close to just removing you from the friends list. Please attempt the try.
Бляха, муха. Дурак. Тож треба, щоб...
То він втікав від нього.
А.
Він втікав від нього. Мало, я не бачив. Я навіть не бачив.
In half a mile, turn right onto FM 1172, south to Michael Road 1172.
Coupled with a basic or post or middle field read from 88, just trying to do too much. And this is never open. I do love the fact that he goes and tries to get a tackle.
Anti-clockwise is busy from 16 to 11, beg your pardon, at Chertsey, and enters the Dartford tunnel. It's been heavy from the A2. Central London or West London, the A4 Piccadilly eastbound, still closed with this incident between Hyde Park Corner and St James's Street, so that's having an effect if you're trying to get through Central London. And finally to Cornwall, the A393 at Lanner Hill. We've got Lanner Hill blocked completely. There's an accident just near to Lanner Green, so affecting you between Redruth and Penryn. And I'll be back with more traffic in 25 minutes.
We look forward to that. Thank you very much. And the official dental advice today is
on camera.
Feel guilty about flossing.
It's on camera.
They say finally, after about 30 years of flossing advice, it no longer gives you any proven medical benefits. So we
like, holy son of a bitch. I just fucking, this car
car just moved into me and I slammed in the fucking back of it. Fucking A.
Day or the day after the attack where she said in fact it was a jig.
Well, my point was that it was a spontaneous demonstration when we now know it was a terrorist attack, and they advanced it through the CIA. WikiLeaks and more as the Sean Hannity show continues.
Everybody give a shit.
Are you okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. We're all right. You're okay. Oh! Are you okay? Are you okay?
Okay.
Okay. We're all right. You're okay.
Why the fuck would you do that? You are... Really? Are you a bit idiot? Yes, it's serious. I've got you on camera as well because you've just fucking... you brake checked. You brake checked. You brake checked. Got you on the camera. Got you on camera. Yeah, that's fine. You brake checked. Brake checking is illegal. Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Oh my gosh.
Christ!
trying to find it. Sorry. Holy fucking shit. Glad you're paying attention.
Get a better feel for the health of the economy. On Friday, the Commerce Department released figures for last month. Personal consumption expenditures price index. They showed a 5.4% increase compared to the same month last year. That is now, this measure, the PCE, is the
dum-dum.
It's dirtier.
Ow!
Left 2 lanes to keep.
Oh, look, he's really done damage as well.
Oh, he has too. Oh shit.
He's really fucked up. Yeah, he's
The
done-
whole suspension's gone.
Yeah.
Just go past him.
I am.
Oh dear.
Convey anything I might be trying to say. I just find that they always somehow.
Whoa, shit!
My
abortion rights and looking at where we came from and where we are now and trying to assess what it means.
Well, the trouble.
their lives during that year, there may be mismatches between state plants and pollinators, or animals may get up earlier and be more exposed to predation, but also might have the benefit because they have more time to eat. So I think it really matters to study these dynamics, to study how animals and plants are influenced by changing climate, which they...
Favorite talking bear who isn't Winnie the Pooh? Answer 2 out of 3 questions right, and you'll win our prize for one of our listeners. Bill, who is Jeremy playing for?
Luce Ashby of Chicago, Illinois.
Really? Fucking moron!
All
Red
right,
light!
here's your first
Whoa,
question.
go straight!
Paddington famously came to England from darkest Peru, but author
Plus get $500 cash back just in time for the holidays.
What the fuck is your... На нафиг, авария, я зас...
You know what?
Whoa!
This.
Gotta be kidding me. Gotta be kidding me. Oh man. Oh my fucking god.
I'm sorry.
It's okay, it's okay.
I'm very sorry.